Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to remove a job that you have posted in your Upwork client account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is my client account in Upwork. I have already switched from freelancer to client type. In case you don't know how to switch your account, we have created a video regarding that as well. And right here, as you can see, I have posted about these two jobs. And let's just say I want to delete them. So here's what we can do about it. In every job, there's a tab like this. At the top right of this tab, you'll see these three buttons, normally called as More. Just click on it and you can see these options that just pop up. Well, you can view the proposals, make the job public, upgrade the feature, and also you can reuse it as well. And do note that you can edit the posting. And finally, what we're looking for, simply remove the posting. Click on the last button right here and something like this will open up that's asking for a reason that you are closing this job. Simply select the option that best describes it. And once everything's okay, hit on this button that says yes, close job. And guys, that's it. That's how we remove a job posted in your Upwork client profile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.